Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What fun activity do you have today, Tākaro Tribe?
We're sorting these pātara, bottles, into different colours. Whiro, kākāriki and karaka. We made them into a pattern.
It is beautiful, Air. They would look great with lights in them too.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
O Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, ā. Is everyone there?
Aye.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi e pā.
Hippie has another laru. Problem.
Maybe these pātara karakara coloured bottles could help, Pāpā Rākau.
No harm in taking them, eh? Don't forget to come back to me. But first, Kōkā wants to see you.
Kāpai, let's go see Kōkā.
Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā. Hippie has another raru and we've brought these to help.
They're lovely and bright. What will you make with them?
And waka ātea, spaceship, so Hippie can fly into tuarangi, space.
A waka ātea sounds fun, or how will your waka ātea fly?
I'm still thinking about that, Kōkā.
What about making coloured lights from the pātara?
That's a cool idea, Kōkā.
Pāpā Rākau's calling you.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Mamariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
The Arawhiti bridge you built for Hippie is so popular. It's getting crowded with kararehe. Will you help her?
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get there?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
She said we could make Rama, lights, from our coloured bottles.
That's a great idea. Do you know how?
How?
Let's take a look. First, you wash out the bottles to make them clean. Next, you find a glowworm and place it in the bottle. When it glows, you have a coloured light. If the bottle is kākāriki, green, it's a green light. If it's whiro, red, you have a red light.
That's so cool, Pāpā Rākau.
Ooh! Whoa! Whoa!
Gordiaske, out of the way!
Whoa! Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe!
Don't forget your recycling bags.
Aye.
Ah, you can collect pepper, paper.
Aye.
You collect the krahe, glass.
Aye.
You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumi e hui e tai ki e.
Pooh, watch for the Arawhiti bridge, now crowded with animals.
Ka pai! All aboard, Tākaro Tribe! We're off!
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the ngahere, forest.
Yay!
Can you see hippie, Tākaro Tribe?
I can see lots of hippie walking through the ngahere.
Hippie is at the Arawhiti. Can you see the Arawhiti?
I can see trees and the creek. There's the Arawhiti bridge. Lots of kararehe animals want to cross it.
Backpacks off so we can collect rubbish. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, hippie.
Your Arawhiti is so good. Heaps of animals want to cross it.
That might be dangerous.
Very dangerous, ooh. What shall we do, Tākaro Tribe?
Wait, Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock.
Re, a, me, a, re, a, he, I, ra, ma, a, ra, hi. Rama Ārahi.
Rama Ārahi, traffic light, is the word of the day.
We could make Rama Ārahi. Traffic lights.
Maybe over there.
We put fiddle, red, at the top. Karaka, orange, in the middle. And kākāriki, green, at the bottom. Now we put in the light. Oh no, we don't have lights. Oh, a little ana cave. With pūrātoke, glowworms in it. Here's the karaka light indicating to slow down. Here's a fiddle light indicating to stop. And a kākāriki light for go. Here's the karaka light indicating to slow down. And a kākāriki light for go.
Thank you all. Now everyone can cross safely.
Hei konei ētahi. Hei konei Rama. Let's celebrate with a waiata.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. You're back.
We built some Rama Ārahi traffic lights for Hippie.
Ka pai. Let's take a look at what our friends have been up to today.
Rama Ārahi. Rama Ārahi. Rama Ārahi. Rama Ārahi.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was beautiful.
Let's take another look at what you did today. First, you sorted pātara karakara coloured bottles. Then Hippie had another problem because the arawhiti you made was overcrowded with heaps of animals. You used the coloured bottles to make traffic lights lit by pūrātoke, glowworms. And you learned a new word. Ra, a, ma, a. A, ra, a, h, i. Ra, ma, a, ra, hi. Rama Ārahi. That's an amazing day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori, good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, paraihehia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe ia.